Hello friends. Um, Today we will start some important questions related to the quadratic equations. Okay, as you can see my screen, try to solve this question first by your own and then watch the video. Okay, alrighty. The question says find the roots of the following equations. So how would we able to solve this equation? Let's see. Let the first equation be 2x square minus 3x plus 5 it is 0. If you want, you can apply the Sridharacharya method, or you can solve it by factorization by the split the middle term method. By comparing with the ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, a is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 3, and c is equals to minus 5 it is. So we're using the Sridharacharya method minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus 3 plus minus under root minus 3 square minus 4ac. This is how would you solve 2 into twice, right? 3 plus minus 9 plus 40 by 4. Once you resolve this thing, you will get 3 plus 149 by 4 it is. This will be plus minus 7 by 4 and you will get your answers as 10 by 4 minus 4 by 4 which will be equals to 5 by 2 and minus 1. These will be a final answer. So 5 by 2 minus 1 are the roots. Okay. Second equation is 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equals to 0. So here, if you compare a is equals to 5, b is equals to 13, and c is equals to 8. Now I'm directly using the formula, as you all should have known it by now. 13 square minus 4 into 5 into 8, 2 into 5, minus 13 plus minus under root 169, 160 by 10, plus minus under root 9 by 10, plus minus 3 by 10. Once you solve this, this is what you're getting, basically minus 1 minus 8 by 5. This will be your final answer. For the third equation, minus 3x square plus 5x plus 12 is equals to 0. How will you solve minus 5 plus minus 5 square minus 4 thrice 12? Okay, wait a second. Minus 3 here it will come 12, 2 into a, right? So minus 5 plus minus 25 plus 144 it is, minus 6 it is, root 169, minus 5 plus minus 13, minus 6 and minus 18 by minus 6, which you will get minus 4 by 3 and 3. This will be a final answer. Fourth question, it says minus x square, 7x minus 10 is equals to 0. Okay, minus b here it will be 7 plus minus b square minus 4ac. So once you solve this, 2 into minus 1, 49 minus 40, 2 into minus 1, this will become minus 2 actually, minus 7 plus minus root 9 by minus 2, minus 7 plus minus 3, minus 2, their answer will be 2 comma 5. These are your two fundamental roots. Okay, 2 comma 5 it is. Fifth equation is the saying x square minus 3 root 5x plus 10 is equals to 0. As you can solve, minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac, 2 into 1. Using the Sridharacharya method, as I am saying, 45 minus 40 to 1, 3 root 5 plus minus root 5 by 2. 3 root 5 plus root 5 by 2, one answer. Second one will be like this. When you solve it, you will get 2 root 5 and root 5. These are the roots of your given quadratic equation. Okay. This is an incomplete one. Let's rub it. Let's do some different types now. I hope you have understood the first type. Now, again, you have to find the roots. First one, let's say 2x squared plus 5 by 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. So how would you try to resolve this? Let's multiply the whole equation by 3, as here divide by 3 is given, no? 5 by 3. So once you multiply 6x squared plus 5x minus 6 into 0, what you will get? 6x squared, 4x minus, to split the middle term, 2x plus 3 minus 2. You will take this out as common and the remaining will left like this. X will become, now put 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. You will get x equal to minus 3 by 2, or 3x minus 2 to 0, x equal to 2 by 3. These are your two fundamental roots. Okay, let's do more questions. 2 by 5, 2 by 5 x square minus x, 3 by 5 is equals to 0. Multiply the equation by 5. Once we multiply, we will get 2x square, 5x minus 3 equal to 0. 6x minus x. See, how do you split the middle term? This minus 5 you have to create. You have to think about two numbers. If you add on, you should get minus 5, and if you multiply it, you should get a multiplied by c. If your quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c, then the product of roots is ac, and summation of root is, if okay, just a second, you will get confused. Let the equation be ax squared plus bx plus c. That you have to find two numbers such a way that x plus y, those two numbers, let's suppose, are x and y. X and y also you will take, you will get a p plus q. P plus q, you should get plus b. And when you select the two numbers and you multiply them, you should get the product of a and c. That is how you have to think about those two numbers. First, let the middle term here. So 2x square, when you take out the common part, minus 6x plus x minus 3 plus 1, 3 is equals to 0. 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. Once you solve it, you get x equal to 3 and minus 1 by 2. These are your factors, sir. Okay, alrighty. Another question, if you want to try, 5 root 5x minus 10 is equals to 0. This is your question. So 3x square plus 6 root 5x minus root 5x. See, 10 into 3 is 30. So what are the factors of 30? 10 into 3, 6 5s are 30. So that you should have think about it. 3x square root 5x minus 10. Okay, this is how it will be done. Minus 10 you can write it down as root 5. Like this is also you can do if you want. Now what we should take as common, let me rub this part. 3x I am taking common, x plus 2 root 5 root 5 x plus 2 root 5. So x plus 2 root 5 I am taking common, this is equals to 0. So what you will get as answer, minus 2 root 5 root 5 by 3. These are your two roots for this quadratic equation. Okay, alrighty. 21x square minus 2x plus 1 upon 21 is equals to 0. You have to figure out its roots. How you will do that? First pause the video and try to solve it on your own, please. Multiply the equation by 21, you will get 441x square, 42x plus 1 is equals to 0. 441x square minus 21x plus 21x By splitting the middle term, we will get 21x minus 1, 0, x is equals to 1 upon 21 you are getting. So two roots are of same nature, same value. Okay. Now they are saying let's do some different questions. You have to check whether the equation real roots or not. 8x squared plus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. So what is discriminant b square minus 4ac? 2 square minus 4 into 8 into minus 3. This is how you will calculate 4 plus 9600. As d is greater than 0, so what you will say, sir, as it will have two distinct real roots. Okay. And if you want to calculate those roots, you can use the Sridharacharya method. All right, like x equal to minus b by 4a, 1 2a here, and you will get your answer minus 2 plus minus 100. Here it will come 16. Once you solve it, you will get your answer kind of like this: 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4. This is your complete answer. So they can ask you these questions in a 4 or 5 marks format to calculate. First, check out whether they have real roots or not, and if yes, well, what are those roots? Okay. Alrighty, let's do a little bit more. Plus 1 upon x minus 5 is equals to 1. So how you will solve? First take the LCM. 2x minus 3, x minus 5, x minus 5 plus 2x minus 3 is equals to 1. 8, 2x square minus 5x minus 10x plus 25 is equals to 1. 3x minus 8, 2x square minus 15x plus 25 it is. Once you resolve this, what you will get? 2x square minus 18x plus 33 is equals to 0. Comparing the equations, calculate the d, you will get minus 18 square b square minus 4ac. So once you solve 324 minus 6, 264, so you will get 60, which is greater than 0. So it means you will have two distinct roots which you can easily able to calculate it, and the roots would be minus b plus minus under root d by 2a. So 5 root 5 root 405, 2 into 1, 9 root 5 by 2. Now remaining you can do it by your own, I guess. Yeah, the question becomes easier for you. All right. Okay, now let's have a sum related to the um, word problem. Find a natural number. Find a natural number whose square is diminished by 84 and is equals to the thrice of 8 more than the given number. Let's suppose this is the question they gave it to you. How would you like to solve this? Here it is a natural number they have given. So the equation say 84 is equals to n square minus 84. I mean, what this says, just a second, square of a natural number diminished by 84, then this will be equal to n square minus 84. And thrice of 8 more than the natural number, 3n plus 8 it should be. So by this given condition, n square minus 84 should be equal to 3n plus 8. This is the important part, sir. Now you have to solve this equation. 24. When you solve this, 3n minus 108 is equals to 0. N minus 12 is equals to 0. You will get n is equals to 12. This is, as I said, n is a natural number. So the natural number is 12 here. I hope you have understood the question. A little word problem it is. Let's do a little more word problems. Let's suppose a natural number when increased by 12 equals to 160 times its reciprocal. So they are saying find a number. So how we should solve this? Let the number be x. So x plus 12 is equals to 160 by x. That is the condition they have given. So on multiplying x, what we will get? We will get this kind of equation: x square plus 20x minus 8x minus 160. X plus 20 it is. X plus 20 it is. So your factors will be x plus 20. X minus 8 is equal to 0. So possible number would be, natural number would be x is equals to 8. So this is how our questions looks like in quadratic equations. Next question comes in my mind is like a train is traveling at a uniform speed of for, let's suppose we should take 360 kilometer, and it would have taken 48 minutes less to travel the same distance if its speed were 5 kilometer per hour more. So they're saying find the original speed of the train. Find the original speed of the train. That is the question, sir. So how would you like to solve? So let the original speed of the train be x. Then they say the increased speed of train, let it be x plus 5 kilometer per hour. Distance they have given to you 360. 360 by x plus 5. This is equals to 4 by. Now you will say how this 4 by 5 has come. See, 48 minutes they have come now. So 48 by 60. This when you resolve 4 by 5 hour, you will get. That is why 4 by 5 hours in terms of hour I have wrote it down. Now when you solve it, 1800 360x x square plus 5x is equals to 4 by 5 it is. Now how you will solve 1800 by x square plus 5x is equals to 4 by 5, cross multiply it. Let's see what we are getting. 1800 into 5 by 4, 2250. So x square plus 5x minus 2250 is equals to 0. It's a difficult quadratic now. Minus 2250, x plus 50 and x minus 45. So your answer would be 45. That is the original speed of the train. So the question is quite lengthy, although, but they can ask you this type of questions in your exams. These are the word kind of a word problems they can ask you. Alrighty. Let's do some one more question, like at t minutes past 2 p.m. the time needed by the minute hand, the time needed by the minute hand of a clock to show 3 p.m. was found to be 3 minutes less than t square by 4 minutes. They are saying find time t. It's a very beautiful question, very important one. Do make a star on this. These are high order thinking skills. Now we know that the time between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. is 1 hour, which is 60 minutes. Time between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Okay, so given that at t minutes past 2 p.m., the time needed by the minute hand, please see the question very clearly, of a clock to show 3 p.m. was found to be 3 minutes less than this. So I will show you through the equation t plus dot 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 t square by 4 minus 3 is equal to, this is the equation what they are saying. Please see this carefully. Do read the question again and you will get to understand. I would like to solve the 40 plus t square 12 is equal to 240 t square plus 4t minus 252 is equal to 0. T square plus 18t minus 14t, here it will come minus 252 to 0. T plus 18 t minus 14. So t is equals to 14. This will be your answer. Time couldn't be negative. That's why minus 14 will minus 18 will reject it. So the question was said at t minutes past 2 p.m. After 2 p.m. t minutes has been passed. The time needed by the minute hand of clock to show 3 p.m. was found to be 3 minutes less than t square by 4. For less, I use a subtract sign, and they are saying find t. So between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m., that is 60 minutes. So at t minutes past, the time needed by the minute hand of a clock to show 3 p.m. was found to be 3 minutes less. So what we will write, initial time at any time t minutes has passed. I will do what? I will add this t minutes with the difference given to us, which is 3 minutes here, and is equals to will be 0 to 60. That is how you will get your answer. So these were the quite of important questions as per my knowledge, which can help you in your board exams. All right. So shall we wrap here now? One more question coming in my mind, although, but yeah, shall we do it? Let's have this question also. If Asha were younger by 5 years, what she really is, then the square of her age in years, I'm talking about, would have been 11 more than 5 times her actual age. So they are saying find her age now. What is her age now? At present, what's her age? That is the question, sir. So let the actual age of Asha be X. Let it be X here, sir. So as here when she was 5 years younger, that will be X minus 5. By the given condition, X minus 5 square, 5 multiplied by its actual age plus 11. So this is your final quadratic equation, 5x plus 11, and you should resolve it. You will get your answer very easily here. Alright, like x square plus 25 minus 10x up to 5x plus 11, x square 15x plus 14 is equal to 0, minus 14x minus x plus 14 is equal to 0, x minus 1, and x minus 14. So you will take x equal to 14. This will be your answer, because x equal to 1 won't be possible because her age is x minus 5, so 1 minus 5, x is equals to 1 won't be possible because x minus 5 will be what? 1 minus 5 minus 4 won't possible. That is why age cannot be negative, right? That will be your final session. Thank you so much.